show is about to get started. Let's go inside and watch the show. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi. Welcome to our new programming that we present you every week, American Dream, Somali Perspective. This is a show that we talk about issues concerning our Somali society, issues that are important in our community, such as education side, health concerns, safety. And if you have any question and you would like to ask us, or if you would like to be on this show, you can always email us or hit us up our telephone number on our website. Let's get to the third episode of our program. We ask students what are the challenges facing the Somali students today, and you will hear some of their responses, and I'm going to take you to the clips. Here's their responses and what they had to say.
Second, also, one of the problem or failing system of middle and high schools. I'm sure in magaalooyin kale ku jirta laakiin magaalooyinka naga way ku jirtaa waa public schools ka sida hadda iskuulada naga hadda carruurta aan darsano aan prepare ma aha waxyaabaha kale oo ardaygu oo mataqaanaa oo la kulmo problem ku imaado waxa ka mid ah financial struggle qofkii financially stable ma waxbarashada Americana ma aha free marka financially is not strong. Let me be more specific. maxaa ka wada not being prepared by the responsibility. What responsibility ahaan waa sheegnay. Secondly, dadku having obligation of helping those in need in back home. Qofku waxa laga yaabaa qof gabadha ama wiilka dhalinyarada ah waxa laga yaabaa lacag inay afar ku dirto marka at the same time ma afar garan karaan inay jaamacadda iska bixiyaan lacagna hadda ku bixiyaan. Not wanting to take a loans because of the interest rate. Annaga waa ognahay majority Muslim ahay haddii aan dhamaantan ahayn marka ardaygu wax ardaygii marka wuxuu leeyahay aniga Muslim aan interest xaraam waay sabab daraadeed ardaygii lacag xataa loo galo loonka inuu qaadana laga yaabo. Midda ugu dambayso getting marriage at the early age and struggling to provide the family support and balance school. inta badan anaga waxaan iskaga guursanaa qofka markuu yaryahay waa ogtiin gabadha markay yar tahay xagga markaan joognay gabadha hadday 18 gaarto oo la guursanin waxaa la dhihi jiray guumaysi waay.
How's everyone tonight? My name is Inhan Wahid, and I'm a sophomore at Hilliard-Davidson High School, the president of the Muslim Student Association of Hilliard, and an active member of the Columbus Youth Commission for my second year. I will be speaking on the topic of education in the immigrant community today, especially the Somali community. I would like to start off with quotes. Education makes a people easy to lead, but difficult to drive, easy to govern, but impossible to enslave. This quote was penned by Henry Peter Brome in 1828 and is especially important to my topic tonight. It completely describes the importance of education and the positive effects it has on the individual and their community. Without education, a man is without the greatest weapon he can use against injustice, knowledge. In a lot of ways, education is the most important asset that a man possesses. Without education, a people can never have the knowledge to move forward. They will never have the means to better their own circumstances, and education is the knowledge of putting one's potential to maximum use. By putting one's own potential to maximum and full use, this person is taking full advantage of what he has been given and also learning to take from what he is about to gain. One can safely say that a human being is not in proper sense till he is educated. Now we all know that education is extremely important to us in every aspect of our lives, but it is especially important when it comes to new immigrant communities, especially the Somali one. When immigrant groups first come to the United States of America, it is most most often in order to create a better life for ourselves and to sustain a better life for our children and our children's children and the generations to follow. The United States is oftentimes equated with the opportunities that it represents. On a global level, America is the land of opportunity, the country of possibilities. But in this great country of hope, education is still the key to unlock the endless windows of opportunity. So it's not only important to instill this in the growing groups of immigrant youth, it is absolutely vital. Education gives not only the individual, but subsequently their population, a large amount of knowledge of the world, character-building experiences, a responsibility to participate in government, and a sense of unity with it. As new communities of immigrants come to the United States, it is vital to put strong emphasis on the importance of language. English language fluency should be priority in the list of issues facing immigrant families. Oftentimes, immigrant youth do not have parents that are fluent in English, leading to academic problems down the road. Parents should have a greater role in learning the English language in order to give youth access to help at home. Without help at home, most youth will fail. For new immigrant communities, there are many difficulties in terms of education and gaining knowledge because of a lack of previous education. This problem can be remedied, however, with the help of tutorial sessions held by bilingual individuals who can speak both Somali and English fluently. By any means necessary, the importance and necessity of education within all communities should be expressed clearly and with great haste. As opposed to generations of the past, high school graduates today are unable to obtain the number of high-paying jobs that were once available to them. So as to say, a high school diploma is not even nearly enough. The U.S. has been transformed in recent years to an economy based on knowledge. It serves as the gateway to better opportunities and options. With education within immigrant communities, they will not only grow, but prosper. With education comes opportunity, and with that, immigrants can become responsible, productive residents of the great city of Columbus. And soon, we might even have a Somali mayor.